Good morning, student. Hope you all are well. Today we are going to talk about anatomy and physiology part 2. Myself, Irina, your health coordinator from Amrit Indo-Canadian Academy. In the previous video, we have discussed about the definition of anatomy and physiology, anatomical positions, human body region. In that we have talked about axial and appendicular. In axial, we have studied about head, neck, thorax, abdomen and pelvis. In appendicular, we have studied about the upper and lower extremities. Today we will talk about the body cavities. First we will talk that what is cavity. It is an empty space within a solid object. In your body is your abdominal cavity. The other similar words used for the cavity are space, chamber and hollow. In different ways, the body cavity has been explained here. The human body is divided into number of body cavities. The body cavity is a fluid-filled space in the body that holds and protects the internal organ. The two largest human body cavities are the ventral cavity and the dorsal cavity. The ventral cavity is at the interior or front of the trunk. It is subdivided into thoracic cavity and abdominopelvic cavity. Dorsal cavity is at the posterior or back of the body and includes the head and the back of the trunk. It is subdivided into cranial cavity and the spinal cavity. From the picture you can easily understand where is the cranial cavity, thoracic cavity, abdominal cavity and the pelvic cavity. Interior cavity. From the picture you can easily understand the posterior and anterior cavity of the human body, which contains the vital organs, glands, blood vessels and the nerves. First is your anterior cavity, where there is your chest cavity, also known as the thoracic cavity. It is enclosed by the rib cage, protecting the lungs, heart, great blood vessels, parts of the trachea and esophagus. Lower body of the chest cavity is the diaphragm, a dome-shaped muscle used in breathing. Diaphragm separates the chest cavity from the abdominal cavity. This is the interior body cavity below the diaphragm. It has got two portions. First is your abdominal cavity. It extends from the lower rib to the region protected by the pelvic bone. It contains stomach, liver, gallbladder, pancreas, spleen, small intestine and most of the large intestine. Second is your pelvis cavity. This is protected by the bones of the pelvic girdle, which contain the urinary bladder, portion of the large intestine and internal reproductive organs. Now comes your posterior cavity, in which cranial cavity and spinal cavity lies. In the picture it's clearly shown where is your cranial cavity and where is your spinal cavity. First is the cranial cavity. It is protected by the skull bone and contains the brain and its specialized membranes. Second is your spinal cavity. This cavity runs through the center of the backbone and contains spinal cord and its specialized membranes. In the picture it's shown a dorsal body cavity which contains two parts, cranial cavity which contains the brain, spinal cavity contains the spinal cord. Now comes your body system. There are total 12 number of body system in human body. First is the nervous system, respiratory system, circulatory system, digestive system, excretory system, muscular system, skeletal system, integumentary system, immune system, endocrine system and reproductive system. Now you will think about what is a body system. Body systems are group of organs and tissues that work together to perform important jobs for the body. Some organs may be part of more than one body system if they serve more than one function. This we will discuss about in our next video. Now is the summarization of the topic what we have studied. First was the body cavities. Interior cavity, in that we have studied about thoracic cavity, abdominal cavity and pelvic cavity. Posterior cavity we have learned about the cranial cavity and the spinal cavity. At last was the human body system. Hope you all like the video. Thank you.